Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the collage with an image using Photopea, a web-based free application just like Photoshop. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is click on new project, and then you're going to go ahead and name the project. I'm going to name mine Baby Yoda Photopea. Okay, or you can leave it untitled, and you want to change it from inches to pixels, 800 by 800 pixels. And the DPI, let's make it 100, right? It may say 72 by default. Okay, so good, let's do that. Okay, 800 by 800 pixels, 100 DPI, hit create. And then here's our square. So now I'm going to insert an image. So find an image, something with color. Okay, I'm going to use the Baby Yoda. Okay, so in here, I'm going to go file, open. And then I'm going to find my Baby Yoda image. Okay. And then right, see, so I have the Baby Yoda photo. I have the new project there, and then the file that I have from that I downloaded. Okay. Actually, that's it right there. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on, where's it at? Object select tool right here. Okay. It's usually on the top left, right, or right click. If you don't see it, it might be magic wand. So I'm going to click on the object selection tool, and then I'm going to click a box around the image by Baby Yoda. See that? Let it process for a little bit. Okay. Let it process for a little bit. Let's try that again. Okay. Object selection. The cross should be fully inside the object. So let's do that. There we go. See that? Okay, so I have the marching ants. Okay, so now I'm going to go to edit. I'm going to click copy, and then I'm going to go to that blank project file. Then I'm going to go to edit and then paste. There he is right there. So that's the first layer. See that right there? So now I'm going to go to edit, and I'm going to go to free transform, and I'm going to grab the corner here. I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, I want to keep the integrity of the square. So let's try to not warp it. Okay, so you want to make sure it fits right. So I can tell here, right, just by telling me it's 315 by 298. So I want it to be like 300 by 300 or something like that. They want to be, the height and width should be the same. So the more I push it over this way, it should be 260, 258. Let's see if I can make it even. Right, 300-ish. 292 height. See, I'm going to come close. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, you want to make it the top corner. Okay, I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, so now what you're going to do, you're going to click on duplicate layer. So I'm going to go under layer, and I'm going to click duplicate layer, right? So I have layer copy 1, and then I'm going to go to edit, click free transform, and then I'm going to left click on it and then drag it here on the bottom. See that? And before I do anything, okay, before I hit enter or anything, I'm going to go back to edit. Oh, I'm sorry. We did free transform right now. I'm going to click on the corner here, right? If I hover over to the corner, I have that curved arrow. This is how I'm going to rotate it, like that. Just grab the corner, okay, like this, and rotate it. Okay, see that? So now I have an inverted copy of the Baby Yoda image, right? So now hit enter. Now I'm going to left click here where it says layer copy 1, then right click, and then I'm going to merge down, which that's going to do is make this one layer. Okay, so I merge down. Now I have just layer 1. So now I'm going to go back and copy that. Click edit, edit. We're going to go to layer. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate the layer. See that? Now I have layer copy 1, and then I'm going to go back to edit, click on free transform, and then I'm going to grab the curved arrows, and then I'm going to rotate my copy, my duplicate layer 90 degrees like that. See that? Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to play with the color. I'm going to change the color. So here, all right, I'm going to click on image, then I'm going to go to adjustments, and then go to hue and saturation, and then with the slider ball and hue, I'm going to change the color of my Baby Yoda. See that? I'm going to make the saturation a little bit brighter. Okay, see that? Hit okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do this a couple more times. So now I'm going to click on edit. Layer. Then I'm going to duplicate that layer, okay? Then I'm gonna go back to edit, free transform, and then grabbing the corner again, right? Any one of these corners, I'm gonna rotate it about 45 degrees. So I have a copy there. Now I'm gonna change that color for this one too. So I'm gonna go to edit, I'm sorry, image, adjustments, hue and saturation, and let's see if I can make this a different color. Let's make it, let's make it, I'm looking for purple. Oh, there's the purple. Okay, there we go. Okay, hit okay. So I'm gonna do this one more time. So I'm going to layer, duplicate layer, right? See, I have a copy 2, 3, a copy and the copy 2, 3, 2 and 3. Okay, then I'm gonna go image or edit, free transform. Now I have a box, but see, I can still grab the corner, right? The curved corner, and I'm gonna rotate it to make that last one. See that? And then again, I'm going to image, go to adjustments, hue saturation. I'm gonna make it another color. Let's see what we come up with. Oh, let's find teal, like another green color. There we go. There's another color I can use, kind of. I want it to be a little bit different than the green. I want it to be a little bit more bluer. Let's make it blue. There we go. And the saturation, there we go. Okay. So now I have my mandala, right? But I'm going to take it a step further. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make all of these one layer. So I'm going to right click, merge down, right click, merge down, right click, merge down. Okay, now I have the one layer again. So, okay, I'm going to copy it again, go to layer, duplicate layer, see that? And then I'm going to go to edit, free transform. Okay, and then I'm going to grab one corner and make it smaller so I can make an inside mandala. See that? Go out a little bit. I can do this a couple more times. Right, just like that. And then I'm going to go and rotate it, right, just to make a color contrast. Right, just like that. See that? Okay, so now I'm going to go, I'm going to do this one more time. Let's see how small I can get. Edit, I'm sorry, layer, duplicate layer. And then I'm going to go edit, free transform, make it a little bit smaller so we can see it. And I'm centering it as I go. See that? Let's see if I can go a little bit smaller. All right. It's so tiny now. See that? Now I'm going to click on the curve and I'm going to rotate it so we can have color difference. There you go. Just like that. Okay. So there's my Baby Yoda mandala. Okay. So what you're going to do is go File, Export as JPG. Okay. And then you're going to hit save and let's just save on your computer right there. And then you're going to go to the Schoology website. Let's go here real quick. No, actually, yeah, let's go to Schoology. Okay, the Schoology assignment page. This one is 4.3.2. Click on the Google Photos album. Okay, I already have a Baby Yoda there, but I'm going to do another one. I'm going to hit plus. Or do I do upload? How do I upload here? Nope. I want to upload on here. Oh, here you go. Okay, click the plus or select from computer. Select from computer. And there is the one I just did, Photopea. Open. So now there are two. One from Photoshop and the one I just did, which is actually a lot nicer. I'm going to keep that one. Okay, so that's it.